Hello, my name is John Tiria. I will travel on December 12th. I am going to visit my wife's town in Boyacá. It is beautiful. I will stay in my mother-in-law's. We have own room. I will be wearing some old clothes and a lot of market to have a good time. I will also bring fishing instruments, some medicine for livestock. I travel to with my wife, my babies, and my pet Connie. The activities in the first hour of the day, we will have a cup of coffee, and we will hear my mother-in-law to milk 6 cows. In the middle, we will go to lunch. Other days, we will go to do the fish activity. We will cool boyacenses and roast beef. Eating will always our favorite activity when it comes to the cons decide how much money we'll spend there. Not much is spent because there is the always adverts hours edits and right not bad state, but the average 1 million for the intelligence of the one my mother didn't like for things and the animals and among other things from the rain and for the bank. I bring Annie's vernice, of course, with ardent thinking prints. I will Creole eggs, Creole chicken curds, and cheeses is in chips and potatoes. Thank you.